25 Victor, departing 34, departing to the west.
23, go, Dimwitty.
There's your little left to center. Goes up. Hold it, just hold it there, hold it there, hold it there. It'll lift.
One is on the downwind.
Hit the little, boost it just a touch,
the other aircraft
but not real aggressive.
The red one, really in tight.
Suffolk area traffic, skydivers in the air, 10,000 feet below. Use extreme caution the next 15 minutes, and please do not overfly the area around Suffolk.
And Dimwitty traffic cap 706 downwind for runway 23, final for 23 touch and go, Dimwitty.